Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the title, we're going to be opening my Jeff Satur Space Shuttle number 8 pre-order. I did prepare a little bit so you wouldn't be bothered with a moving camera and everything. So I did that pre-order directly on Warner Music Thailand website. It was really easy to use, and the only bother that could be for international fans is that you needed to have an address in Thailand to be delivered. So let's get to it. So it arrived in, of course, a box, and then the CD was in that other box. Then it was in a plastic wrap, as you can see, and this is the sleeve it was in. So let's open it. So this is the actual box. I didn't check it yet, so it's gonna be a surprise for me too. So let's open it. So I guess this is the photo card that we got with the pre-order. And that's really nice. I really appreciate it. It's really pretty. In that really nice sleeve, embossed. And here is our actual CD. Let me just remove that box. So I know there is the CD in the little package. Now that was a little bit upside down because I removed it. I think there is a nice design on it, but I will not open it just to be sure not to break anything. So this is the poster. I will open it later. Some stickers. Everything going with the planet theme. That's really nice. I'll do an S10D. This is the Star Guide book. So I guess these are the songs with the lyrics. With some pictures too. Like this, the details are pretty amazing. Oh, and this is, we have a picture frame with several pictures that we can put, and it's a really solid card box. So if you want, there are several others. You can probably see them online. And the photo book. Which is pretty nice. Oh, and we have a little cutout to see the planet. That's really great. So here is everything that we got with the order. Let's open the poster. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you like very well. And on the other side, you have like the planet theme again. So that's it. I'm really happy that I got it like that. It's really amazing. So if you have any questions, just put them down below, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.